Alright y'all, what's going on? We ain't done this in a long time. I figured what better to hit a ramp. Nice, y'all. Lost my steering. Lost my steering. Playing around with it. I centered the moon house. That was hard. Where's them kids at? Alright, here we go. Oh! Forgot my other car was sitting there. Wow! Straight rocked it. Not good. He wants to keep coming at me. You see it? It's weird. Honestly. Beautiful. KRATON XL keeps this up, we won't need another car to drive. Just performing, boys and girls. Oh, I lost my steering. Daggone it. Look at it. Oh no, my ESC's off too. What the hell, bud? Well, that's a no-go bueno right there, boys and girls. We got my screws coming out. Yeah, we're done jumping this one, boys and girls. I'm gonna pull her back over here and let her sit. All right, well, I'm glad I seen that. Hold on, y'all. We're gonna break 5. We got the dirty 30 up here, and she's on. And I don't know how long this body's gonna last on her, held on with zip ties, but that broke it right there. How the hell did it knock that drive shaft out, didn't it? How in the hell? No, it didn't knock the drive shaft out. What the hell? It knocked the front drive shaft out that time. Are you kidding me? Alright, y'all, my GoPro died and I'm trying to just kill these batteries. Alright, y'all, let's see if this thing will stay alive for 2 seconds this time. That thing was all over the place. Y'all see that? All right, watch out, y'all. Here it comes. Oh, look. Well, that was hard, brutal hit right there. Knocked my steering out. I hope that's all it did. Hopefully that's all it did. That was bad landing right there, boy. Uh-oh, it didn't knock my steering out. I just broke my steering. Oh no, it did. It killed my servo, man. Are you freaking kidding me? That little weak ass shit killed his servo? That ain't trash. It's just loose as a goosey. Alright. Let's go, man.